Because soiled or contaminated protective gear can increase your risk of exposure to toxic substances, it is essential to keep your footwear clean. 1. Gently brush or lightly sponge off footwear to remove the large, gross contaminants following overhaul. 2. Note any physical damage that will need to be addressed before your footwear is able to be returned to service. Always wear gloves and eye protection during the inspection process. 3. Use a brush, soft sponge, or rag with warm water to remove surface dirt, and then rinse thoroughly. 4. Now it's time to re-inspect. If there is visible soiling present, repeat step 3. 5. Dry your boots in an area with good ventilation and away from direct sunlight. Never use a machine dryer. Your boots must be thoroughly dry before returning to service. 6. Store your clean footwear in a dry, well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight and sources of indoor light. Avoid hot or cold temperatures and airtight containers. Follow these 6 steps and you'll be safer to boot. We're MSA, and when you go in, we go in with you. To learn more, visit us online.